Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will talk about another feature of the C programming language. We will learn how to create our own data type. Just to recall, data types specify the type of data that variables can hold. We learned about some common data types in C, like char, string, int, float, long, and double. But now, let's learn how to create our own custom data type. In C programming, a struct is a user-defined data type that allows you to group together variables of different data types under a single name. It is used to define a collection of variables that can be accessed and manipulated as a single entity. This is the syntax for defining your own data type. Type def struct, then inside curly braces, data type member1, data type member2, and outside curly braces, your data type's name. In this syntax, type def means define type, struct means structure. It defines a new data type named custom struct name based on the structure specified within the curly braces. Data type represents the data type of each member within the struct. We use struct in C for the following reasons and advantages. Struct allows us to group different variables of various data types under a single name, enabling us to organize related data together efficiently. It helps in creating complex data structures by combining different data types into a single entity, making it easier to manage and manipulate data. Struct facilitates modularity in programming by encapsulating related data and operations within a single unit, enhancing code readability and maintainability. Structs are useful for passing multiple data elements as a single argument to functions, reducing the number of function parameters and simplifying function calls. Struct allows the creation of user-defined data types, enabling developers to define custom types that suit their specific needs. Struct supports data abstraction by hiding implementation details and providing a clean interface for interacting with data, enhancing code clarity and reducing complexity. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. Let's start by opening a C file, code program.c. Now I will work an example on how to make a custom data type. Hash include inside angle brackets stdio.h, then hash include inside angle brackets string.h, and hash include inside angle brackets cs50.h. Now in my main function, int main inside parentheses void, then open braces, close braces. Now I will define my own data type. Beneath the header files, I will add my own data type, type def struct, then inside curly braces string name semicolon, then int id semicolon, then string number semicolon. Then outside curly braces, I will name this data type person. Now in my main function, first I will make an array of size 2. I will call this array users and I will specify the data type as person. So person users inside brackets 2. then a semicolon. Now, just like we dig into arrays, we can dig into structs too. So first, users inside brackets 0.name equals to inside quotations David semicolon, then users inside brackets 0.id equals to 2312 semicolon, then users inside brackets 0.number equals to inside quotations 555-555-123, then a semicolon. Then users position 1.name equals to inside quotations Alex colon, then users position 1.id equals to 1232 semicolon, then users bracket 1.number equals to inside quotations 555-555-321 semicolon. Now string name equals to get underscore string inside parentheses and quotations name colon, then a semicolon. Then I will create a for loop to loop through the array and find the user with the given name. So for inside parentheses int I equals 0 semicolon I less than 2 semicolon I plus plus, then inside curly braces f inside parentheses stir compare inside parentheses users position I dot name comma name equals 0, then inside curly braces printf inside parentheses and quotations number colon %s \n id colon %d \n, then comma users position I dot number comma users bracket I dot id, then a semicolon, then return 0 semicolon. Then outside my loop printf inside quotations not found \n semicolon, then return 1 semicolon. In this code snippet, we have defined a struct named person that represents a person. It consists of 3 members: name, ID, and number. Each member stores specific information about an individual. Next, we create an array called users of person structs to store data for multiple users. We then populate this array with details for 2 users, assigning values to the name, ID, and number members for each. When the program runs, it prompts the user to enter a name. It then searches through the user's array to find a match between the input name and the stored names. If a match is found, it displays the associated number and ID for that user. If no match is found, the program informs the user that the name was not found. Now to compile this, gcc program.c -o program -lcs50 and run it using /program. I will type Alex. It displays information about Alex. Now again, David. It outputs info related to David. And last time, something else like Mark. It says not found. This was all for today. I hope you learned how to make custom data types. Have a nice time.